Hey folks, good afternoon. Welcome to RC Overdose. This is Dev coming to you, and today I'm going to try to turn on the Nitro RC that I have, the Traxxas T-Maxx 2.5 Classic. Now, I had been trying to turn this thing on since the last 3 days. It didn't work. I tried a few things that I'll go through step by step once I try and show you guys what I did. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys could link me or guide me through something that I'm doing wrong or something extraordinary that you guys know. And I'll let you guys know whatever homework that I've done on this model. So stay tuned, and thanks for tuning in RC Overdose. I made sure that the carburetor was tuned to factory, which is about 1 to 2 millimeter gap within both the sockets, you know, the fuel and the acceleration one. But that's when you tune the engine. First of all, you have to make sure that they're tuned to factory. And someone was selling it to me, and I bought it, and I have no knowledge about it, but I did my homework and I have some knowledge on it now, and we'll see how it works. And there's a motor light and there's a glow plug light here on the Easy Start from Traxxas, and they should both ignite once you try and turn the model on. And I also made sure that the electronics are working. Now this is a servo, and that is for the acceleration and the shift, and that's how when you shift it, it goes back. So it does work. So the electronics are in pretty good condition. The only question is the glow plug good? And if it is the fuel reaching the engine properly? So there's a couple of things that you need to worry about when you have a nitro engine. And you make sure that this thing is tightly sealed, because you don't want any air to be passing through any of this, because that will prevent the fuel to be going in the engine properly. If the fuel does not reach the carburetor, you have to put a finger through the exhaust and let the fuel go towards the motor, and let's do it. There you go. This is normal with nitro. You have to give it a couple of runs. There's a pretty good flow coming from the carburetor and the exhaust. So we'll see how this works out, guys. I know, Omar, you have some knowledge on it, so maybe you could let me know what to do with it. This is crazy, man. Damn, Kenny, you were right about this, man. I'm not losing my patience, but it should at least turn on. I mean, I'm trying to do everything in the right way. 1 to 2 millimeter gap in the carburetor. The fuel is pretty good, 20% nitro from Traxxas. The exhaust is clean. The air filter is clean. The glow plug is good to go. Everything else is good to go. I'm not sure what's wrong with this, guys. So that was awesome going on live. I met a couple people on there. RC Addict, thanks a lot. RC Playground, Miguel. I appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by and commenting. So right now I'm trying to, my buddy RC Addict from YouTube here, he let me know that I needed to adjust the high-speed needle. So I did that, and now I'm gonna try and turn this bad boy on. Let's see what we can do with it.